What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. I'm your host, Emma, and today I'm going to be making a delicious blackberry whiskey lemonade. All I'm using is some Irish whiskey, some freshly squeezed lemon, and some blackberry simple syrup that I made last night. Really easy to make at home. If you don't want to make simple syrup, not a big deal, just throw in some honey instead. All right, so bada bing, bada boom, just a couple ingredients, top it off with club soda, and I'm sure you will love this too. Okay, super easy to make. Like I said, you can use any kind of whiskey or bourbon that you want. I'm using Conor McGregor's new whiskey. It's called Proper 12. It's Irish whiskey, super tasty. If you do by chance make the blackberry simple syrup like I did last night, if you have any leftover, just put it in ice cube molds. It's a really nice treat in just a glass of water too. Mason jar, if you don't have a shaker at home, just use one of these. Put your lid on, tighten it up, and shake it hard. That's it. Okay, so blackberry simple syrup. Also gonna do 2 ounces of the Proper 12. And then I have lemon juice. 1.5 ounces. I'm gonna put it together, I'm gonna shake it. All right, let's try it out. It's actually almost like a spritz-like with that club soda. I like it a lot. It's a very adult and proper lemonade. So cheers to me and cheers to you. And to the next time we meet, whether in person or virtually. Cheers.